today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add voice recordings to Manychat. Adding voice messages is a quick way to make your automations feel more personal, boost engagement, and deliver information with a human touch. Start by opening your Manychat workspace on the Home tab so you're looking at a clean dashboard. From the left-hand sidebar, head into Automation. This is where all of your flows and content live, and it's the place you'll add your audio. If you're building something from scratch, create a new automation. If you already have a flow in mind, simply locate it in your list and open it. That takes you into the visual editor, where you can see each step of the conversation. Inside the flow, click the exact message block where you want your audio to play. Think of this like choosing the moment in the conversation that benefits most from a voice note, perhaps a welcome message, a detailed explanation, or a quick update. In the message composer, look for the More menu to reveal additional content types. Choose Audio. This adds an audio attachment panel to that message. Now upload your recording. You can drag and drop the file directly into the panel, or click to choose a file from your computer and confirm with Open. Manychat will attach the clip to the message you selected, and you'll typically see the file name and a small indicator confirming it's ready. A few tips to get the best results. Common formats like MP3, M4A, or WAV work well. Keep the file size within your messaging channel's limits and aim for clear, consistent volume. Shorter clips are easier for users to consume. Trim long pauses and get to the point quickly. Give your file a clear name so it's easy to recognize later. If your audience might be in a quiet setting, add a short text line in the same message summarizing what the audio says. That's all it takes. You've added a voice recording to your Manychat automation right where your users will hear it. Thanks for watching, and happy building.